Hello guys, it's been a long time. So as you know from the thumbnail, we're gonna review and learn about this board from Orange Pi called as Orange Pi Zero. So without wasting any further time, let's do this. So I received this package from Banggood.com. Thank you Banggood.com for being kind enough to send this package. So let me quickly unbox it and get the stuff out of it, and I'll show you how to order the Orange Pi or any other products from Banggood.com. So I have got both the products unboxed. The first one here is Orange Pi Zero itself with all-winner H2 Plus 1.3 GHz quad-core CPU with 1 USB ports and 512 MB of RAM along with the external Wi-Fi antenna. Impressive, isn't it? And other one is expansion board of Orange Pi Zero, which have 2 USB ports, audio port, IR and mic. I have to say I am really impressed by the hardware of Orange Pi Zero. And it's the time to share with you where to buy all the good electronics and gadgets. So I trust Banggood.com for all my gadgets and electronic stuff, cheapest and best. So just open the Banggood.com or Banggood.in and then search Orange Pi Zero or any other product you want to buy. You will get tons of variety to pick from. Choose your order. I ordered this one, and review your product and pay for the order using PayPal or any other credit or debit card. And once again, thank you Banggood.com for sending this product, make this video happen. Let's get back to work and make some preparations to get this thing running. Search on Google Orange Pi Zero OS and open the Armbian link and just download the latest version. As I am downloading Armbian Bionic, I will put in link in description for that, and then extract it on your PC. After extraction, get a SD card more than 8 gigs. As I am using 16 gigs of SD card, insert SD card into PC and format your SD card using SD card formatter. Then after formatting your SD card, open Windows 32 Disk Imager to burn the disk image file to SD card, and it will take some time to flash OS on your SD card. After flashing, put the SD card into Orange Pi Zero. Then connect the USB power, and if we did everything correct, you will see the Ethernet LEDs and green status LED glowing. Then to talk to it, we need a USB to serial converter. Get it from the description. So connect 3 wires to the ground, RX and TX of USB to TTL converter. Then connect the ground of the USB to serial converter to Orange Pi Zero's ground. Then connect the TX of the USB to serial converter to the RX of Orange Pi. And the last one, RX of the USB to TTL converter to the TX of Orange Pi. And connect USB to TTL to PC, and we are ready to access our Pi. After connecting USB to TTL, in device manager you will see a COM port connection as mine as COM6. Then open putty, click on serial, put COM port as COM6 and baud rate as 115200, and it will take some time to load. Then after, put the login as root and password as 1234. Then a new password is required. Put a new password and then retype the new password. Then give it as a username, as I am giving it Shubh. Then I am gonna skip all the information as full name and all that. Then after that, press Y to save it, and then open the config window by typing sudo armbian-config, similar to Raspbian OS. Then go to networks and then quickly go to Wi-Fi. As mine is Prashant, so I'm gonna click on it, select your Wi-Fi and put the password, and it will be connected as mine is connected, and it will show star if it is connected. Then we can exit and we can type sudo ipconfig to get our Wi-Fi IP of Orange Pi. And after that, you can go to config again to set up some things or changes you want in your Pi, or to know more info. So finally we got our Orange Pi Zero up and running and ready to go for project. So finally our mini PC is ready now. Let's put it inside the box for the safety. So I'm gonna attach the USB extension on the orange Pi 0 as you are watching in video. Then we gonna put it inside the box. As you can see it, well, I must say the quality of the box is very good. And after putting it inside the box, we need to close the box with the help of another piece of box and putting screws on it. And now our mini PC is secure and also ready to go for some project, and I'll be sharing more projects with you in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the Banggood links in the description, and I will see you in the next video.